Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Since it's my birthday month, I've decided to get myself a watch, do an unboxing video, and give my first impression of this watch. Here's a hint. This here is one of my grail watches. Before I do my unboxing, I will need to clarify that this is not a sponsored video, but I would like to do a shout out to Hang Tie Watch for getting me this watch. I did have some difficulty getting this piece, but Hang Tie Watch managed to sort me out. I'll just drop their contact details in the description below. If you're around the region and need some help in getting a particular piece, you can hook them up and I'm sure they'll sort you out. Anyway, here comes the unboxing. The packaging is great. It has this brown box that protects the actual box in it. Yes, it is an Omega. If you have been following my watch journey, you'll probably know what watch this is. This is, to my mind, an underrated piece but not an easy piece to get because the 80s don't have a lot of them in stock, and recently there is a slight increase in demand for this piece here. Alright, this here is the famous Omega white box. Very good build quality. As I open it up, you got these two pieces of sponge on the box to help keep the box in place. The front flap of the box, which is also padded with a sponge or foam, whatever you call it, drops open for easy access to the case. On the side here is the watch manual, and also that passport size card holder which contains the pictogram, the master chronometer certification, and the international warranty card that covers for a period of 5 years. As I remove the case from the box, you will also see how the case is surrounded and protected by the same white sponge or foam. A really nice touch, I must say. Underneath the case has that suede-like material, and the rest of the case has that glossy wooden finish. The front of the case has this very nice emblem of a globe with the words "Since 1848, Omega, Swiss made" on it. To open the case, you will need to press that emblem. Are you ready to see the watch? Can you guess it? Ta-da! I can actually smell the leather as I open the case. That smells like sheer luxury. That's the tag there. This here is the Omega Seamaster Aquaterra World Timer reference number 220-12432203-001, which is the steel version on rubber strap. This here is a beauty. As you can see, the stickers are still on it. Allow me to remove them at my leisure and for your viewing pleasure. That was indeed satisfying. Unlike certain brands who has robbed us of that pornographic experience, I really do appreciate what Omega has given us here. Kudos, Omega. Now back to the watch. It is really stunning. Although it is measured at 43mm in diameter, it doesn't feel that big. The crystal here is a dome-shaped sapphire crystal. As I move the watch around, you will see, unlike that other brand, this watch has an anti-reflective coating applied on it. This is indeed the mother of all Aquaterras. Look at that Mother Earth on the dial. Instead of a flat printing of a globe, this here has a 3D image from the North Pole. This watch has a lot of details in it, and the detailing are most refined. The side of the watch is brush finish, which I think is a clever design. I personally do prefer watches to have their side brush finish instead of polish finish for easier maintenance. I really like the blue rubber strap here. It has that structured and high quality feel. With this strap instead of a bracelet, the watch definitely feels lighter to wear. In case you're wondering, this here is powered by the 8938 caliber automatic movement, which has a date function and a GMT function for 24 time zones. I am really happy with my purchase here. Thanks Hang Tai Watch. I'll definitely do a detailed review of this watch after I have some wrist time on it. To support me in making more videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you won't miss any of my videos or my review of this watch here. And I really appreciate it and promise you that I won't ask for any more birthday presents from you. Until the next one, thank you for watching.